Walk through your circular covered porch into your semi-open floor plan, move-in ready home. This beautiful raised house sits several feet above the street level. New remodel kitchen and bathroom. Granite countertops decorate the kitchen with the open floor plan beautiful stainless steel fridge. Big bedroom in the back provides the privacy of a split level with its private bathroom with access to the backyard. Separate laundry room, not reflected in the living area square feet in carport houses the full-sized washer and dryer. Huge backyard. Empty lot to the north provides a nice view and privacy. Rented, month to month. Tenant will like to stay.NO showings until February 22, 2021.